For our ongoing class, we're working together to create this beautiful arrangement for Secret Love. We're in the key of G, and we're using a mambo groove, because why not? And we're going 100 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I had a secret love that lived within the heart of me. All too soon my secret love to be free. So I told a friendly star the way that dreamers often do. Just how wonderful you are, and why I'm so in love with you. Now I shout it from the highest hill, the golden daffodils. At last my heart's an open door, and my secret love's no secret anymore. Soon my secret love became impatient to be free. Now I shout it from the highest hills, even the golden